Dear students, I welcome you all to our English class. Today we are going to study Block 3 LP4, that is connecting adverbs. Now we all know what are adverbs, and we will study how to use them as connecting words in a sentence. Now here you can see words like accordingly, also, besides, consecutively, conversely, finally, furthermore, hence, however, indeed, instead, likewise, meanwhile, moreover, nevertheless, next, nonetheless, otherwise, similarly, still, subsequently, then, therefore, thus. Now, these words are known as connecting adverbs. They are also known as linking adverbs. Linking adverbs connect independent clauses including sentences. They could also be called as conjunctive adverbs. The only work of connecting adverbs is to join the sentence. Read the text on your own. Conjunctive adverbs are part of speech that are used to connect one clause to another. How many clauses do we have? Yes, we have only two: main clause or the principal clause and dependent clause. They are also used to show sequence, contrast, cause and effect and other relationships. Now here you have few solved examples. Let's have a look at them. Now you remember I had given you this word bank. If I am giving you sentences to solve on your own, you can use the word bank. Take this as your word bank. Jeremy kept talking in the class. Therefore, he got in trouble. She went into the store. However, she didn't find anything she wanted to buy. I like you a lot. In fact, I think we should be best friends. Your dog got into my yard. In addition, he dug up my petunias. Petunias are plants. You are my friend. Nonetheless, I feel like you're taking advantage of me. My car payments are high. On the other hand, I really enjoy driving such a nice vehicle. Now I want you all to solve this example. Everybody will solve it. I will ask anyone to give the answer. You need to put more effort into your work. Dash, you won't get a passing grade. Second one, we wanted to spend the day at the beach. Dash, it rained so we stayed home. Third one, he felt he couldn't tell the truth about what happened. Dash, he lied. Now this is the exercise in your book. You don't need to copy it in your notebook. You'll have to solve it here itself. Only the question number 3 you have to write in your notebook. Okay? Solve the answers on your own and then we will discuss in the class. Because if I am giving you answers for grammar, that doesn't make any difference. You will never learn. So you try to solve the answers on your own and then you can get back to me. Thank you.